अपकमिंग बॉलीवुड फिल्म बैंग बैंग का टाइटल ट्रैक बुधवार को मुंबई में रिलीज किया गया। इस इवेंट को ग्रैंड बनाया फिल्म की स्टार कास्ट ऋतिक रोशन, ब्यूटीफुल कैटरीना कैफ ने। फिल्म के लीड एक्ट्रेस के साथ मौजूद हुए फिल्म के डायरेक्टर सिद्धार्थ आनंद। इस फिल्म का टाइटल ट्रैक काफी पेपी और फुट टैपिंग है और इस गाने के जरिए ऋतिक ने दिया अपने डांस स्टेप्स के जरिए माइकल जैक्सन को ट्रिब्यूट।
देखिए, पहले तो सिड ने मुझे कहा कि उनका एक प्लान है, Why don't we do Michael Jackson? I said, are you mad? Michael Jackson, it's impossible, man. I will take like a month to rehearse.
And nothing is impossible for him, as we all know now. It's been, what, 14 years? We all know that.
Hey, I'm talking. So I actually, honestly, thought it was a wrong idea because you really cannot match up to the master, the god of dance. But then I realized, I have so much love and so much respect, and he has been someone I have idolized all my life.
माइकल जैक्सन के प्रति प्यार के कारण ऋतिक रोशन माइकल जैक्सन के स्टेप्स को फॉलो कर पाए।
I'm going to do this for my love for the man who started me off on my journey of dance. So I have done this in my own style. I have not done it like Michael Jackson, but it's his steps in my style, and that's what set me free. When you do something for love, it sets you free, and that's how I went about it.
इस फिल्म की लीड एक्ट्रेस कैटरीना ने सलमान, आमिर और शाहरुख के साथ काम किया, मगर वो मानती हैं कि डांस के मामले में ऋतिक का कोई मुकाबला नहीं।
Hrithik's, for sure, because his flexibility is too incredible. It's on another level, so it's very difficult. You have to be an incredible dancer to dance next to him, which you have to really work hard for, and you feel nervous because he's got a natural rhythm. I think when he dances, and it comes to him so effortlessly. Sorry.
चलो कोई नहीं, ऐसे स्लिप ऑफ टंग होते ही रहते हैं। चलिए फिल्म के डायरेक्टर सिद्धार्थ आनंद से जानते हैं इस फिल्म के बारे में।
I think it's a celebration. I think Bang Bang is a celebration of every emotion. It touches a high of every emotion, of romance, of action, of drama, of humor, of scale, visual appeal, stardom, music, everything. So I don't think we could have any other title other than Bang Bang.
इस फिल्म में हाई वोल्टेज एक्शन देखने को मिलेगा और हेल्थ खराब होने के बावजूद भी ऋतिक ने खुद स्टंट्स किए।
We all go through our challenges, and I am the kind of person who enjoys it. Once you enjoy your struggles, once you enjoy your challenges, once you have clarity of thought, nothing really lasts forever, and all that is there in your hands is to put your best foot forward and just keep moving forward, and that's what I did with this. No assumptions that things will go wrong, or just then I just stopped assuming the worst. The best started to happen, and मैं बोलूँ, I'm very there are a few things that I've discovered through the journey of this film. पहली बात तो ये है कि मैं famous हूँ कि I'm the kind of guy who will lock himself inside the room and get into character and all that stuff. इस फिल्म में उल्टा हुआ है। इस फिल्म में I have discovered that this Rajveer is me. So when I started to prep, I said, what do I prep? I feel this. It's me. So it was a discovery that actually I am Rajveer. So it became so easy for me. In this film, I have done zero prep. So it's the first film that I have actually been surprised in that way. So it was an incredible experience.
इस दौरान कैटरीना ने भी इस गाने पे अपने डांस के बारे में बताया।
No, actually what happened is I went into the song thinking I'm an okay dancer. So when we were rehearsing and all that in the hall, we would do rehearsals, I was thinking I'm doing it so well. I was just showing him because he wasn't dancing much. And I think in that showing him, I got distracted. I stopped learning myself. And then when we got onto the set, you can see clearly who's the better dancer. So I learned a lesson. But the song is a lot of fun. And when you see it, it's a good energy. I think it's one of my favorite tracks that have been in any of my films. When I saw Vishal and Shekhar, I went and I gave them a huge hug. And Sid gave a small hug.
खैर, फिल्म के टाइटल ट्रैक को बड़े ग्रैंड तरीके के साथ लॉन्च किया गया। अब देखना ये होगा कि जब 2 अक्टूबर को ये फिल्म रिलीज होगी, इस फिल्म को दर्शक किस तरह से प्यार देंगे। एंटरटेनमेंट डेस्क से जयदीप मित्रा, डे एंड नाइट न्यूज।
खबरों की दुनिया में आइए, हमारे साथ कहीं भी और कभी भी जुड़िए। हम मिलेंगे फेसबुक पर, हम दिखेंगे यूट्यूब पर, हमें फॉलो कीजिए ट्विटर पर। खबरों के साथ बने रहिए रात दिन।